Hey everybody, it is part 2 of our 2-part series of the Disney water parks. We're here today at Blizzard Beach. We haven't been here in a couple of years, so I'm looking forward to our return. I think they have the same shirt at Typhoon Lagoon, $19.99. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Yeah, that's cool. It's a swim shirt. This is a really cool design. It's got the new style of animation on there, and that is $24.99. Touch the screen to start.
We're gonna go for standard, yeah?
That worked for us last time, right? When we were at Typhoon Lagoon, it was a lot sunnier. It's really overcast right now. But we're gonna do the same thing here that we did there, which is to hit the lazy river first. Okay.
Funnel cake.
Look at that, waiting for us.
It's gonna be freaking freezing. Oh my god.
You'll get used to it in no time. Come on.
I can walk a lot easier in here. And then Typhoon Lagoon, like...
Oh, really?
I think so.
So this isn't as deep as Typhoon Lagoon's lazy river.
At least it seems like it. I have no idea.
I wish it were a bit hotter outside.
Oh, easily.
Normally I pray for weather like this when we're in the parks, but at the water park it's a bit different.
Because when we went to Typhoon Lagoon, it was like 90 plus humidity.
Yeah.
Hey, he's got a GoPro. Hey,
Here we
nice
go.
GoPro.
Hey, thanks!
Oh my god.
Here we go.
Shark? I love it.
Ah, thanks. Trying to dry off the lens. There's a lot of water on it. I hope it's okay.
Do it again and hope you don't get any confusion.
Our first vlog from a water park last time from Typhoon Lagoon, when I was editing it, I found the most difficult part was trying to edit out my belly. Didn't love seeing it on camera, so today I wore a rash guard or a swim shirt, so hopefully I've taken that issue out of the equation.
This is great.
For those interested in the lazy river, there are many types of rafts. There's the single raft, there's the child single raft, there's a double raft, and then there's the seated raft. Alright, we decided to get out here to go on that. Runoff Rapids. You can see Pandora over there.
Oh, yeah, this is the enclosed slide. Is it? Oh,
I think they're
no,
both up here.
no, I got it.
There. Be careful, it's a strong current.
The red is the open slide.
Alright.
You are going to be the sacrifice? Yeah. Alright, so you're going to hold it behind your back.
Oh, this is a good one. Oh, I like this one. Oh, nice and long. Oh, those are bumpy. I like that one a lot. All right, we just came from Runoff Rapids, and now we're going to try one of the purple slope slides. Hollywood Studios over there. Oh, thank you, friend.
Offset purple, my favorite color.
For your safety, while you're swimming on the sled, hold on to both ends.
Push it. Hey, what'd you think of that one?
My back kind of hurts a little.
Oh.
My elbows hurt a little. It was fast, so I like that.
Theming here is really cool.
That one has a sharper 10 turn.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was fast, but
Turny. Kind of inconvenient.
did you like it though?
I like it.
Yeah, I liked it too. Should we, do you want to do
The
that
race?
one?
The tall one?
Yeah.
I don't know. It seems steep.
All right, we'll think about it. Oh look, helicopter. Oh, we're about to get on.
Have a seat. Mine's automatic.
Hey, ever done skiing?
Have I gone skiing? Yes.
Isn't it such a pain to like try to screw yourself up with the skis to get in these corners?
I don't remember. It's been a long time. Let's take a look at the awesome view you get from the ski lift.
Oh. Like a bouncy boy there.
My battery's at 39%.
Oh no, wasn't it like 40? Earlier?
We started at 65.
Oh.
This ski lift takes you to the slides that are highest on the hill up there. What do they call it? Mount Gushmore? Whatever. The super steep slide, whatever they call that one. The family tube slide, which is Teamboat Springs, I think, or is that the other part? I don't remember. But so they also have steps that you can climb. I'll show you. Right over there, that will take you up there as well. But this is actually very pleasant, very picturesque. You can see a lot of the park from up here. It's very cool. If I remember correctly, last time we were here, it's been a couple years, but riding this, oh, I can see it from here. For some reason, there's a collection of hair ties right here. I don't know how it started or why that is, but there they are.
Oh, there's a chapstick. More over here.
All clear. Then start sliding, keeping your hands.
We're gonna do the family raft ride to compare it
To the bottom, move to the side.
the one at Typhoon Lagoon.
By the way, anybody there under 48 inches tall? If so, you're not tall enough to summit front or front.
We can see Animal Kingdom from here. Everest, Pandora.
Is that Disney Springs like the blue?
No. There's Coronado Springs.
When you reach the bottom, move to the side immediately. Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gushers, passengers
How many in your group?
2?
All right, perfect.
use kayaks. As soon as you reach the
How many?
Thank you.
side,
Oh, hi.
Oh, no.
This is such a good tube ride.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh, you passed it.
Oh, there's the bumps. Okay, they're wrapping up things here at Blizzard Beach. We hadn't been back here in a couple of years, so it was good to see the place again. It's a lot of fun.
Very much changed.
Yeah, I don't think anything has been added since the last time we were here, or taken away for that matter. So now, eventually we're going to put together a comparison video comparing this water park to Typhoon Lagoon. But for the purposes of this video, we just wanted to show you what we did here today. But we had a lot of fun, so look out for that video. Thanks for watching. We'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye.